Working on your health and not succeeding? Why is that? Most people know what to do in order to be healthy. They just do not put these things into practice. There are a few variables that may explain why this is happening. The first is motivation. People have many reasons that motivate them to do things. However, there also are other factors that push people in the opposite direction. This may be the reason why most know what it takes to stay healthy, but simply do not put these opportunities into practice. You need motivation if you want to change your eating habits or start exercising. Without motivation, you will rarely achieve the results that you are looking for. However, motivation is not frozen in time. It keeps evolving and changing. Sometimes, it even disappears and needs to be reignited. This is why you should never become discouraged if your efforts to improve your health do not have immediate results. Another reason why people know what to do to stay healthy but simply do not put these things into practice may be the wrong motivation. For example, people decide to start working out for the sole purpose of looking good and not for their own personal benefit. People must understand that working out just to look good or gaining muscle mass has nothing to do with being healthy. The motivation should be the desire to be fit and healthy because that is what really counts in the long run. When you work out with the right motivation, it will be easier to stick to your exercise routine. You will also have a healthier body image because you are working towards something achievable, instead of an idea of beauty or perfection that does not really exist. The second variable is procrastination. Procrastination is defined as the act of postponing something that you should do. People put things off until a later time because they falsely believe that they will be able to take care of them in the future. Not doing what you are supposed to do may become a habit if it is not addressed right away. The belief that you will work out or eat healthy later on is just an illusion, because the days always turn into weeks or months, and you can never get back that time. Procrastination causes an individual to give up before they have even started their journey towards success. People should understand that being successful does not happen overnight. It takes a lot of hard work, discipline and dedication, along with the desire to succeed. Establishing a schedule is necessary for long-term success. This also implies that you have to be responsible and hold yourself accountable for your actions. Otherwise, the motivation talked about above might not be enough to see you through all the obstacles that may appear on your road towards success. Do not procrastinate any longer. It is much better to take care of your problems at the earliest time possible than waiting until it gets too late. The third variable, there is a lack of resources and support, which can make it hard to stay motivated and complete your goals when you're alone. A resource is defined as something that may help you meet a goal or achieve a desired result. Whether it is the assistance of a coach who can guide you or someone who has already achieved their goals, having someone by your side will make it easier for you to succeed. The most important thing is not to give up and always keep your eyes on the prize no matter what happens. It is also key to surround yourself with people who actually want you to succeed. And not with those who are dragging you down, because they do not care about you bettering yourself. Ultimately, it boils down to what type of person you are. What motivates you? Do you need external sources, or do you have the drive inside of yourself? Figure out what type of person you are, how your needs can be met by a specific resource, and go from there. The last variable that may cause this problem is misinformation. When you base your decisions on things that you hear, read, or are told by others, some of it will inevitably turn out to be false. People tend to lose motivation because they do not have the correct information and use their time working towards a result that will never happen. This, of course, applies to how people get their information about health and wellness in the first place. There are many false statements that only confuse people and prevent them from achieving their health goals. These myths can be very misleading, and they stop you from becoming healthy. You can find many resources online that can actually help you with your journey towards living a healthy lifestyle. However, the number one thing you should do is test everything yourself, and not take what other people say as gospel. By doing research on your own, You can avoid these pitfalls and succeed. If there is one thing that we can take away from this video, it is this: the only thing that stands between you and success in any area of life is knowledge. Whether it is making money, being healthy, or finding a relationship, knowledge will help you get there. Read, study, and do what you can to learn more about these topics, so that you can make the right decisions. Once you have all the information at your disposal, it will become much easier for you to succeed in any area of your life. In conclusion, if you're struggling to lose weight, maintain a healthy lifestyle, or make positive changes in your life in general, it may be due to one of the following 4 reasons. You must have motivation, have support, have confidence in yourself, and have the correct information. Without these 4 things, you will never succeed in making your life the way you want it to be. If there is one thing we can learn from this video, it would be that motivation, support, and confidence are not things that others can give us, but rather things we must find within ourselves. Self-motivation and self-confidence, backed by the support of others, will rid us of any obstacles and help us successfully reach our goals. We must never lose hope. If you feel like your struggles are too much for you to handle by yourself, consider talking to a professional who can help guide you through this difficult time. Remember that no one is perfect, and there are always people who can help you out. At the end of the day, all you have to do is believe in yourself, and your journey will become much easier to accomplish.